Hello everyone, welcome back to Lakshmi Learning Tech. In this video we can discuss about what is variables and data types. First, what is variables? Imagine variable with a container. What we can do with container? Containers are used to store something. Like that only, variables are used to store some value. For example, we can take a equal to 10. In this example, 10 is a value and equal to is an assignment operator. It can assign right hand side value into left hand side variable, and a is a variable name. Not only a, we can give anything as a variable name. For example, we can give our name also, not an issue. And the name variable itself, it defines, it can vary. Means its value is not fixed. It can change according to the program. Let's see how it will work. Now I am trying to change the value of a from 10 to 50. So if I try to print the value of a, I won't get 10. I will get the output as 50 in console. Let's see practically how it will work. Here I am giving int a equal to 10. Now I am trying to print the value of a. I am getting output as 10 in the console. Now I am trying to change the value of a from 10 to 50. Now I am trying to execute this code. Now I am getting output as 50. So that a equal to 10 is a garbage value now. It can automatically collected by garbage collector. Now a holds the value 50, not 10. Now we can discuss about data type. What is data type? While declaring a variable, it is mandatory to specify a data type. For example, we can take a syntax of data type. Data type and a equal to 10. Here 10 is a value and a is a variable. While declaring a variable, it is mandatory to specify a data type. And in Java we have two types of data types available. First one is primitive data type and second one is non-primitive data type. First we can discuss what is primitive data type. Primitive data type means it is a predefined data type. What is meant by predefined? It is already defined in Java. We are just using the data type. In Java, 8 primitive data types are available. We can see in the table. In this table, we can see 8 primitive data types along with their default value and default size. The 8 primitive data types are boolean, char, byte, short, int, long and float double. What is the default value? While declaring a variable, if you are not specifying any value to the variable, then JVM can assign default value for the variable. The default value for byte, short, int, long is 0. For boolean it will be false. Double and float, it is a fraction value, so we can define as 0.0. And coming to default size. What is default size? It is a memory allocated for the data type. For boolean, 1 bit of memory has allocated. Means it can store only 2 possible values, either true or false. For byte, 1 byte of memory has allocated. 1 byte is nothing but it is equal to 8 bits. So 8 bits of memory has allocated for byte. For char, 2 bytes of memory has allocated. 2 bytes means 2 into 8 equal to 16 bits of memory has allocated for char. And data type decides 2 factors on the variable. First one is what type of data we are storing. Let's see. Here I have given int a equal to 10. Here I have stored 10 into a variable a. It is a int data type. Okay. And now I am trying to store the fraction value. So I have declared double. D equal to 10.5. So it's working fine. Now I am trying to store the fraction value inside a int data type. Now I am getting an error at the compile time only. So we can say data type decides what type of data we can store. If the data type is int, we can store integer values only. If the data type is double, we can store fraction values like that. And the second point is data type can decide how much memory will be allocated for the variable. For example, we can take a byte. For byte, 1 byte of memory has allocated. 1 byte is nothing but it is equal to 8 bits. In this diagram, we can say LSB means least significant bit. MSB means most significant bit. So we can find the range of the memory will be allocated for the data type. by using this formula. The range of byte is -128 to 127. See here, now I am trying to store 127 into byte p. It is possible, we don't get any error. Now I am trying to insert 128. Here I am getting compile time error because we can insert the value within the range only. And next topic is statistically typed, dynamically typed. What is statistically typed? While declaring a variable, we should specify a data type, right? If you are not declaring a data type, we will get an error at the compile time only. So it is called statistically typed. The examples for statistically typed programming languages are Java, C and C++. And coming to dynamically typed. What does it mean? While declaring a variable, if you are not specifying data type also, we won't get any error. It will compile successfully. Is known as dynamically typed. The example for dynamically typed programming languages are JavaScript and Python.